guys, my name is Chase Roddle, and today I'm going to be reacting on this called is the Upside Down Show YouTube poop. Now I'm going to make it bigger, then turn it on.
Because YouTube hits where they blue fits. Hey, do you want to have a try? There we go.
Now I'm going to hear it.
You can take it.
So I'm going to
You
turn
got
it
it?
down.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
Be careful.
Okay, just shove it in your ass.
Yes, but
What did he say? Well, I'm going to turn it back on.
whatever you do, don't press the cock.
What did he say again? Well, I'm going to turn it back on again.
Oh, that you don't. No, please press stop. Oh, thank you. Okay, now just press the.
Cock.
Oh, he just said that again.
Skin, sorry. Press some cum.
Oh, thank you. Yummy. Press play. This one's for the
Cocksuckers.
What did he say?
$1.99 gets you perfection.
He just said that.
Right down to the apple and the orange selection. Burger. A quarter pound of shit is how we start making it. Shove it in your mouth right after we
Oh, he just said that again.
Shit.
Really bad.
Did I just use as a verb? Maybe.
What now, motherfucker?
Now what did he say?
Bacon cheese shit burger. Just $1.99 for a limited time.
Well, guys, that looks bad. Well, guys, I hope you've been watching this. Please subscribe. So, bye.